when you take a look at this part, if you can see through, drawing's a little started here, but if you look through it, you can see the circular shape for the top character. It has a little bit of the center line going around the back. You can't see the back, but then the bottom one that's resting on the bottom parts of these eyes, and then once you get that, you can slowly build up and try to keep the same proportion for these eyes here, and building that section up. And that gives you that initial connection. So it's kind of a nice, quick, easy way, but the bottom part of this mouth, again, is still pretty big. And if you could see the circle for the nose right there, it would be extended out. And that would give you a little bit of a circular, there's kind of a big circle behind it as they're foreshortened from this front view into one another. So this, just shorten this up a bit for this round section for the front, the mouth, and the lower lip kind of hidden down there. And the snout has a couple of wrinkles just like the forehead, showing those sections up there. And we'll get to the ears, but same idea. Once you get the eyes with a little edge to them, it gives a little bit more focus to the character, even if it's just blocked in. Kind of building that up. And when it gets elongated, the side of the head gets a little more narrow on either side. And again, once you see these ears as they're overlapped, just like this eraser again, keep using that as a bit of a model. You can see a little bit of the edge folding over of it. And same with the top, a little bit of the hair from the top. And round off anything if you get lost with the shape, and it'll bring it right back to you. And that builds that section up there. Same with this part. And once you get it, just kind of outline the thick and thin lines with it before you do some of the tones with it. A little highlight there for the nose. Coming across. Building that kind of a gestural sketch. And there you have it. And again, starting to shade it with a little bit of textures as well as the shading. Build that up right there. For it. And you can even start off a little base tone, offset the shadow a little bit. And just take a look at all these. And something like the coil into that bottom lip there has a double shadow to it. Here's the circle. Again, just finding the base tone gives you a little bit of shadow there. Neck a little curve for the light there. There you go. Squash and stretch. So here's just emphasizing some of the darker values there.